So you've been drawn to the harmonium, but every time you tried to learn, you either didn't know where to start, or you were shown a complicated, perhaps a classical way of playing when all you really wanted was to sing in devotion and accompany yourself and your community for chanting, for mantras, and for kirtan. Maybe you've tried YouTube, you've tried teachers or books, but every time you learn something new, it doesn't connect to what you already know. Now you don't know how to continue, your playing feels mechanical, and it's more like really studying an instrument and less about finding your own expression. And this I want to change. I've been playing music for all my life. I've been singing, I've been playing piano, guitar, and was introduced to yoga, bhakti, and the harmonium around 8 years ago. And since then, I've been playing kirtan and concerts and ceremonies around the world. I've taught my approach of devotional music to over 300 students, both in person and online. And what I do see over and over again is that when people find the style that resonates with them, then the studying becomes effortless. So the students who come to me are mostly not trying to become professional harmonium players or become masters of Hindustani classical music. They want to open their voice, they want to chant in their own practice, they want to chant with their community. Other teachers might give you more theory or scales as a starting reference. And at the harmonium course, I believe that chanting from day one is the key to our success, and all else will grow over time naturally, and it's not a requirement to get started. So if you felt the call of the harmonium, this is where you can start. You can enter your name and email and I'll send you your first lesson. No experience needed. Just bring your voice, bring yourself, and happy chanting.